Looking to level up your coffee game with smooth, rich flavor? In this video, we're diving into the best cold brew coffee makers that deliver cafe-quality results right at home. Stay tuned to find your perfect brewing companion. Number 1. Ninja Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Ninja Cold Brew Coffee Maker brings together versatility and compact design, making it an ideal option for anyone who values convenience and variety in their daily coffee ritual. What stands out about this unit is its ability to brew using both coffee grounds and pods. This dual compatibility caters to traditional coffee lovers, as well as those who prefer the speed and cleanliness of pods. Users can choose between classic, rich, or over-ice brewing styles depending on their mood or taste preference. Whether you're enjoying a hot brew or a cold, refreshing iced coffee, the machine delivers consistently great results. It also supports various cup sizes, ranging from 6 to 12 ounces for pods and 6 to 24 ounces for grounds, offering more flexibility than many single-serve coffee makers. The removable 56-ounce water reservoir is a nice touch, making refills effortless and less frequent. Its thermal flavor extraction technology ensures optimal temperature and saturation, so every cup bursts with flavor. The built-in storage drawer helps you keep things organized, while its compact footprint saves valuable counter space. Perfect for households or solo drinkers who don't want to sacrifice flavor for convenience, this machine truly earns its place in a modern kitchen. Number 2. Cuisinart Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart Cold Brew Coffee Maker is an all-in-one brewing solution designed to cater to both single-serve and full-pot preferences. One of the most appealing aspects is its ability to serve anywhere from 4 to 12 ounces using single-serve pods, including popular Keurig K-Cups, or up to 12 cups in its included carafe. It comes with a reusable filter, giving you the option to brew your favorite ground coffee as well. This coffee maker is packed with features that elevate your coffee experience, such as 24-hour programmable brewing, brew strength control, and a self-cleaning system. The Extreme Brew function promises coffee up to 25% faster, ideal for those on the go. Its stainless steel carafe and modern design add a sleek look to any kitchen. With a 42-ounce removable water reservoir, this machine minimizes hassle while maximizing output. The flip-down shelf is a thoughtful addition for shorter mugs, and the charcoal water filter ensures your brew tastes pure and smooth. If you're looking for a machine that balances traditional brewing with modern convenience, this model delivers on all fronts. Its versatility and user-friendly features make it a smart investment for both casual and frequent coffee drinkers alike. Number 3. Ninja XL Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Ninja XL Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a high-performance machine tailored for those who demand flexibility and quality in their daily coffee experience. It supports 4 distinct brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, and cold brew, giving you the freedom to experiment with flavor and strength. One of the most impressive features is its ability to brew a smooth, fresh cold brew in as little as 10 minutes, a significant time saver compared to traditional methods. The machine accommodates a wide range of brew sizes, from a small cup to a full carafe, including XL options for travel mugs. This makes it ideal for both solo drinkers and households with multiple coffee lovers. The removable reservoir comes with an auto-metering feature, so you don't have to guess or measure the water each time you brew. Ninja's thermal flavor extraction ensures consistent taste through even saturation and temperature precision. And since it doesn't require pods, you can enjoy full customization and reduce plastic waste, all while saving money. Whether you're brewing hot or cold beverages, the flavor quality remains outstanding. Its elegant design and intuitive controls round out the experience, making it a fantastic addition to any coffee enthusiast's countertop. Number 4. VIinci Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The VIinci Cold Brew Coffee Maker revolutionizes how you make cold brew at home by cutting down brew time from hours to mere minutes. With VIinci's patented circle flow technology, this machine produces smooth and rich cold brew coffee without the sediment or bitterness that often accompanies traditional methods. You can select from 4 brew strengths: light, medium, bold, or extra bold, based on your preference, with brewing times ranging from just 5 to 25 minutes. It's the ideal setup for busy individuals who still want that premium cafe experience. The all-in-one design allows you to brew, serve, and store coffee in the same container. The included pitcher can be refrigerated for up to 10 days, and it comes with 2 separate lids, one for brewing and another for storage. VIinci also includes a self-cleaning function, which helps maintain hygiene and flavor integrity with minimal effort. The machine is compact and fits easily in any kitchen space, yet offers robust performance that rivals much larger units. Its ease of use and fast operation make it especially appealing for first-time cold brew users. With consistent results and minimal maintenance, the VIinci cold brew coffee maker is a game changer for anyone who enjoys cold brew on a regular basis. Number 5. Ninja Thermal Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Ninja Thermal Cold Brew Coffee Maker offers an all-in-one solution for both coffee and tea enthusiasts, making it one of the most versatile brewing systems available. It's equipped with 5 brewing styles, including classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, and specialty, so you can easily tailor your drinks to match your taste or time of day. Unique features like Smart Basket Recognition detect whether you're using tea or coffee and automatically display the appropriate options on the control panel. With 2 separate baskets, it also prevents flavor cross-contamination, which is great for purists. One of the most impressive capabilities is its ability to brew cold beverages in just 10 to 15 minutes, far quicker than traditional cold brew systems. You can choose from 6 brew sizes, from a single cup to a full carafe, making it ideal for any occasion. It even caters to different tea types by adjusting the brewing temperature and steeping time accordingly. The double-walled thermal carafe can keep your beverage hot for up to 2 hours without needing a warming plate, preserving both flavor and temperature. For households with diverse tastes, this machine stands out as a highly flexible, intelligent, and user-friendly choice. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.